Alright people, the time has come. We're tearing Betty White apart during Hurricane Milton at that. We've been planning to tear Betty White apart for a while now. Give her the much needed makeover / rebuild. Minty, like your cousin. Just been polishing her up little by little. We got the exhaust wrap, soaking the injectors. Yeah, we took the water pump off. Can't really powder coat this, so I'll probably gloss spray paint. Spoiler alert, this is the Nardo gray pile. This is the gloss black pile. And then this is white pile. All this going to Fab out in St. Petersburg. Betty White's parts are back, people. Finally got them all loaded up in the van. Say a prayer that they all don't bump into each other on the nice hour-long ride back. Huge shout out to Fab Powdercoating and Hydrographics. They hooked it up. And very sentimental. This was the first place to do this bike, and this will be the last place to hopefully do this bike, since we're doing a timeless color scheme on her. And hopefully she stays up for the test of time. But yeah, not bad for a 70,000 mile bike, people. I'm super excited. We're about to get it home and not slap it together. Take our sweet, sweet time. Like, look at all the parts in here. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Our Father, which art in heaven, real street niggas appreciate every blessing. Give us this day our daily bread, one time for all the homies in the feds. Forgive those that hate, for that they not know they sick with a disease. Yeah. It's dark. I'm drinking lean and she drinking Hennessy. Bougie bitch with porn star tendencies. My favorite kind. I put her on a plane to come and visit me. Yeah. Got time for her to go back, she didn't wanna leave. You gotta go, baby. I already know my haters sick of me. Hey. Real nigga, I pray for my enemies. Real nigga, I pray for my enemies. Trap nigga, I came up by the Slimmick Peas. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, I just left the trap, pulled up at her house. Now she in my lap. No panties under blouse. She said, hold up, she want me to watch her make it clout. She used to have a nigga, she met me and put him out. You see a real trap, nigga, bitch, point him out. I saw my first 100 pounds of weed and said, wow. 100 million, 10 years, now I'm thinking right now. The last 3 years, man, my dog been on the run. My little nigga right here with me, he just made done. She used to hold my palm, and she my day one. And she fucked me good ever since day one. I'm drinking lean and she drinking Hennessy. Bougie bitch with porn star tendencies. My favorite kind. I put her on a plane to come and visit me. Yeah. Got time for her to go back, she didn't wanna leave. You gotta go, man. I already know my haters sick of me. Hey. Real nigga, I pray for my enemies. Real nigga, I pray for my running free, all my niggas on lock. Yeah, they tried to do me like they did Kennedy. I ain't mad at you, I pray for my enemies. I learned how to weigh a dope, taking chemistry. 2017, dog made history. All this fucking swag on me came from Italy. I've been doing this shit, y'all niggas remember.
Alright, probably haven't been narrating as I go, just kind of getting it done, but this is a huge moment in the build, people. Any build, that is. Getting that kickstand and the wheels on. Granted, you usually have the subframe on, but I just wanted to get this thing mobile. So, huge progress. Even slap that green coolant line on to get a better idea how everything's coming along. I am so happy. Huge progress. So I think at this point we can remove the blanket and really start to fine tune getting all the extra stuff on. We got to do the radiator still. We got to do the wiring harness, which is going to be rewrapping and rerouting plugs and killing any extra slack or any extra things that we don't need. Basically slimming it down. But yeah, it's looking pretty hopeful to be able to ride this weekend. Not necessarily shred, but at least some test and tuning.
Let me take it to the queen side. I'm taking it to Brooklyn side. But now, let me take it to the queen side. I'm taking it to Brooklyn side. But now, let me take it to the queen side. I'm taking it to Brooklyn side. But now, let me take it to the queen side. I'm taking it to Brooklyn side. But now.
Alright, people, still doing some wiring for the ignition and the fan switch and everything. This sick ass thing right here. Basically I'll have the ignition switch, the kill switch right here, and then the fan. So it's gonna look dialed soon. But yeah, so far so gravy. First startup. Alright. Come on, baby. Gotta give it a little gas.